Let's learn transport. Truck. Correct. Locomotive. Well done. Tractor. Good for you. Race car. Scooter. Correct. Trolley bus. Well done. Fine, we've learned more about transport. Let's put all the means of transport in the proper places. Race car takes part in racing. Good for you. Locomotive carries people from town to town. Tractor works on a farm. Well done. Trolley bus transports people. Good for you. Truck carries construction materials. That's right. People ride a scooter. Good for you. Well done! You've put all the means of transport into right places. Let's fix all the transport. Trolley poles. Well done. Truck body. Chimney. That's right. Spoiler. Exhaust pipe. Good for you. Handlebar. Great! You have fixed all the transport.